MINGHUNG OSB and MDF Machinery Equipment Manufacturer Company Limited, located in Shaogezhuang Industrial Zone, Yitang Town, Lanshan District, Lingyi City. The city has a strong foundation for the artificial panel industry and strong innovation capabilities. It is the leading manufacturer of artificial panel machinery and equipment. The important production base is 30 kilometers away from Lingyi Airport. MINGHUNG Company provides a complete set of process design, electrical design, and manufacturing. We can provide one-stop complete factory solutions for wood-based panel customers. Product series: MINGHUNG product series include medium-density fiberboard, MDF, high-density fiberboard, HDF, particleboard, PB, oriented strand board, OSB, vulnerable super strong particleboard, LSB, multi-layer heat press production line, double-sided fixed thickness broadband sanding machine, gauge saw, mechanical paving machine, airflow paving machine, channel dryer, super screen, post-processing system, artificial panel cooling system, turning machine, stacker, storage and transportation trolley.